Who doesn't love a satin sneaker? You know, when you think of a Valentine's Day SB, you think of the strange loves. I might double back and get those, man. It's just they at 900 for the regular box, 1400 for the gift box, special box. I love that shoe, man. But these coconut milk City of Love joints, they dope too. Now I'm gonna be honest. I really went for the burgundy pair the most. I really wanted to look at that burgundy crush pair. I wasn't able to hit, but this ain't bad second place for me. And after the review, this might be first place for you too. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Gotta be delicate with these, man. A lot of cell white going on. So today in 4K, we're going to review the City of Love Coconut Milk colorway. Again, in the beginning, I told you I wanted the burgundy pair, but I got a funny story about the burgundy pair. In my next video, I give y'all that story. What wild story, guys? But the next video, y'all get it. So make sure you subscribe, like, all that stuff the YouTubers say. But anyway, man, SBs don't miss with holidays, man. Halloween they go hard. Valentine's Day they go hard. They even go hard on 420, man. But coconut milk joints, man, a lot of white guys, but the details really knock out that love atmosphere. Valentine's Day to February. I've been talking too much. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So we get the purple box, which is kind of ironic because we get a coconut milk sale colorway and the other boxes has been sale. Anyway, we get a purple box. Usually I tell y'all the purple box is for like a SB without a story, but that's not true. The Bart Simpsons was in this, and now the City of Love come in this. We should have got some Valentine's Day, but we didn't. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low PRM, Coconut Milk, Light Bone. Those are two light colors, guys. Flip open the lid. Get your green SB design tissue paper. Looks like tree bark to me. I don't know what it is. Dope design though. Maybe it's just like a skate design. And you do get the Nike SB sticker. This usually indicates that it's dropping on the Sneakers app. If you get a sticker, it usually indicates it's dropping on the Sneakers app. But they acting like they supreme. And let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the City of Love Nike SB Dunk and that coconut milk sail colorway. I feel like I should have gloves on, guys. That's how light and delicate this sneaker just looks to touch. So let's start with the toe box. Satin, guys. Satin. Satin toe box. I like it. I don't like that it's like a white satin. I wish it was like a silver or even red. But it gave it more of a Valentine's Day look. But that is satin, guys. And it's nice satin. Around there, you get your nubuck suede in the same color as the satin. But of course, it looks different because it's different texture. It gives it like that wolf gray look. But it is a sail white coconut milk look there. I know y'all see the middle shining also. The middle is satin. But before you get there, the swoosh, guys, is nubuck suede leather. You see it? You see the crackles of the leather, guys? Dope look. Also sports a 3D look on the swoosh. As you see, the back is white and then the swoosh is gray. Dope look. Again, should have added a little bit more red. But speaking of red, you got a red thread all through the sneaker from the front all the way to the back. So there go your Valentine's Day look. I just feel like they should have gave us a little bit more. And being that we down there, you do get like paint gray spectacles at the bottom of the shoe, but you don't get it at the main bottom, but you do get it towards the bottom of the shoe. Let's get to the back. There go that Nike logo that I love. You guys know that. It's in that same white. It is not satin. It is regular threading, but it does give that satin look too. Same color as the satin part we seen. Also, y'all see how I told y'all the swoosh was 3D. You see how it also glows? Just watch the swoosh, guys. You see it's glowing as the light hit it. Dope look, man. I told you a lot of details in this sneaker. Right here, you get more coconut milk. Back down to the sail. Back down to the sail in a little bit of red. The inside is just like the outside. Well, is it satin? Yes, sir. The inside swoosh is satin also, guys. You see the glow on it. But this swoosh is underrated. I wish I knew what kind of material it is. It's like a hard plastic. But y'all see the shine is giving, guys. Dope look, man. So y'all know the toe box is satin. But so is the tongue. And that's a first, I think, right? Maybe the Strange Loves were like that. I haven't got a chance to get them, but I think I'm going to get them back definitely after this review. Well, not get them back. Get them, period. But yeah, man, you still get that SB Fat pillow tongue, but it's satin, guys. Like a nice soft pillow. You do get some, I guess some City of Love branding here. Let's see what it is. It's a threading over the Nike swoosh. And we'll get more into this threading in a minute as I show y'all more details. But dope look, man. Attention to detail. You do get red shoelaces, and that's key because you need some more red in this sneaker, in my opinion. So you do get red shoelaces, guys. I'm definitely going with the red. Definitely. Like, it's way too much white in the sneaker for me. But here's the inside I want to show y'all. You have a black hand and a white hand. I don't know if it's a man and man, girl and man, girl and girl. But you got black and you got white, and that same threading that I showed y'all here on the tongue is in the inside, showing you love. And the Nike SB logo is in red. But after we get there, look at the sock liner, guys. Y'all know I hate a white sock liner because I don't like a dirty sock liner. But man, it's satin. It's satin. So you give it to me in satin, it might change my mind. But that's a dope look. So this is the left, that was the right. As you can see, nothing's changed far as the inside. They could have put some heart stay or something different, but I feel like that is so dope that I like that they kept it on both shoes. So let's get to the shoelaces because I know just looking at the sneaker, it can look like a triple white sneaker. The shoelaces is actually a sail look, a coconut milk look. The same look you get on the SB Mummy joints, the shoelaces that come with that. I think that box even said coconut milk too. So that's what you get on the shoelaces. Don't get me wrong, I do like them, but I think the red lace swap will do this sneaker a little more better since we talking about love, City of Love. I do want to show some love to the get that love. To this swoosh, man. That leather, that gray leather, man, it's cracking, man. It's a lot of tumble. And this is the inside. The outside has that same look too, guys. But the satin the satin, the highlighted, lighten up plastic, mad satin in the sneaker. This sneaker's dope, man. So I showed y'all the bottom briefly, but let's get into it. It's an all I guess sail coconut milk bottom. This sneaker does give you wolf gray vibes, but when you get it in hand, you'll see the difference. In the middle just says Nike SB in red. Yes, sir. Speaking of love, guys, I love you guys, man. Every time y'all click on the channel, I love you guys, man. But yeah, City of Love pack, the sail colorway or the coconut milk colorway. I told you I really wanted the Burgundy Crush. In my next video, I got something for y'all. But to be honest, I like these better than the Burgundy Crush. But I haven't got the Burgundy Crush in hand. But this sneaker gave me more of a... It was when it got in hand, it looked way better than pictures, guys. Trust me, man. So these released a couple of days ago on the sneakers app. I think I paid $136 shipped to me, New York. And I like them, man. I haven't checked all resale parties, but I did check GOAT. Right now, roughly anywhere between 160 to 180, 190. It's not bad. Like I told y'all in previous videos, if you're trying to get into the SB game, the last couple of pairs that's been coming out, the Court Purple, these, and I think it was like 2 more. This is the easy, cheap way to get in, man. Well, inexpensive way to get in. Because when SBs are sought after, man, they go to the moon, man. Even the Powerpuff Girl joints are still affordable right now, in my opinion. But the Strange Love joints, that's going to hurt the pockets, man. But I think I'm going to do it, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I mean, satin is satin, guys. You know what I mean? I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.